If your electric outlet is too far in from the wall surface and can't get to the box behind the drywall to move it out, or if you're installing tile or granite on the wall, all you need is plastic extenders like this to be able to extend the outlet out or flush with the wall. These will insert into the existing box and you can adjust the amount needed. It comes with longer than normal screws, so you have the room to adjust them in or out. It will fit over the outlet without having to disconnect the wires. But before doing this, I make sure the breaker is off and I tested the outlet has no power. Once it's in place, put the long screws in through the extender and into the box in the wall. Then adjust as needed. In this instance, we use the cover plate to make sure it's flush, and then screw it in. If doing tile and granite, these are the perfect solution. Well, thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video, and you all have a great day.